group project, you will form groups to create a multimedia presentation on a current event using various media types and IT tools. You will present your findings and discuss the role of media and IT in shaping public perception of the event.
We are Group 4 from 12 STEM to Einstein, and now we're going to interview some people or students about the impact of social media on our public opinions,
the potential negative impact of AI,
the effects of AI
on students' learning experiences.
Let's go!
Hi guys! Today I am with
Mika D. Mendoza.
So Miko, what do you think are the potential negative impacts of AI on your student learning experience?
So, I think yung mga potential negative impacts po sa amin is like yung pagkabawas po ng creativity ng isang estudyante kasi po if yung AI na po yung magagawa nun, like parang nawalan na rin po ng originality and creativity yung isang estudyante.
Okay, thank you Miko!
Ako si Dylan Sumayo from 91.
I'm Jesse Gantel Pugente from 91.
Bale sa tingin ko po, ang AI po, ginagawa po yung mga students na mga nagiging tamad na po kasi nagre-rely na po sila sa technology masyado.
I would say the same thing that he said, that students will become more lazy when they rely too much on AI.
What he said.
Thank you!
Hi guys! Today I'm here with
Gabriela Serna from grade 12 UMS.
So Gabriel, what do you think is the positive effect of artificial intelligence in student learning experience?
For me, ang positive effect ng artificial intelligence sa ating mga students is mabilis natin makukuha yung mga information na kailangan natin in just one search or one click. Since hindi na tayo mag-i-scroll pa or maghahanap pa ng mga sites para lang mahanap yung kinakailangan nating information in specific subject matter. Yeah.
So thank you very much, Gabriel.
Hi guys! Today I'm here with
Wiljeshan Mikamong
from
STEM to Einstein.
And for the third question, what is the possible impact of social media on students' public opinion?
Ay, dapat po ba English or Tagalog?
Kahit ano.
Ay, kahit ano. So, the social media po is the-influence po ang social media sa mga perspective ng mga tao. It's either yung iba doon is clickbait or ragebait. Minsan-minsan yung mga opinion ng ibang tao ay pangkalokohan. Yung iba doon ay kumbaga mag-iba't iba. Pwede rin po maka-influence ito sa mga public opinion and other perspective. And I thank you.
Educators need to keep guiding students and helping them use AI tools responsibly and safely. Instead of teachers, AI technology seeks to empower them as collaborators.
Before we end this vlog, we hope you learned something on our topic and with our interviews. For you, what is the impact of AI on your learning experiences?
This is the end of our vlog. Please do like,
share, comment,
And subscribe!